Yeah, Coach King Santo Tomas, James Calco, Cyrus Guzman, Lance De Castro, and Ian Saberso. Coach King, congratulations for this victory. You ended the season on a high note. Your thoughts about the season in general? Okay, say.
First, again, yung season namin is full of ups and downs. Especially during the first round, when we're going to win and lose, win, lose. So it was an emotional roller coaster for the whole team. So, ayun, in general, sayang kasi we're short, like a win or two. May mga crucial games na nabitawan kami. Hindi namin nakuha. That's why we're able to get to the Final Four this year. So, yeah, hopefully by next year, makabawi sila na makapasok sa Final Four.
Thank you, Coach. Gian had 41 attacks, 2 blocks, 9 extra receptions, and 7 digs. So, this is your second year with Ateneo Ascendant. So, what are your thoughts sa season mo and sa team in general?
Ayun, kasi po din siguro. Medyo nagkulang na din kami siguro. Pero, I think meron naman kaming mga hindi pa na mapay na namin all throughout the game. And siguro yun lang din yung naging kulang namin. Ay pakita pa yung kung anong meron kami kung kaya na.
Thank you. Captain Libero, Lance De Castro, you had 11 digs. So, what can you say about your final season with Ateneo? What can you say, Lance, about your final season?
Siyempre, as what Coach mentioned naman kanina, parang hindi namin talaga na-reach yung goal namin this year, which is the AP Championship talaga. But overall naman, I cannot say I'm happy, but I wanna say I'm happy talaga kasi at least on our last season, na pakita namin kahit yung ibang mga bagay na hindi namin napakita last season. Pero yun nga, the work doesn't stop there. So, unless na ma-reach namin yung goal namin next year, or sila, ma-reach na yung goal nila next year, dun lang lalabas, dun lang siguro ma-satisfy yung lahat ng mga tao. But yeah, as like sinasabi sa mga teammates ko, the growth in them and in us should never stop. So, kung ano mang meron silang skills ngayon, dapat they should never be contented with that. Kasi, pwedeng like, in a snap of finger, pwedeng mawala lahat.
Thank you, Lance. To James, you had 13 excellent steps. But this is what you call seniors day. So, what can you say na you end your career here, although di nga kayo naging Final Four, you end your career here at Ateneo as a winner. What can you say?
Just like what they said, it's pretty sad na we didn't get to reach our goal. But then at the end of the day, I'm really happy na we got to win our last game. I think napakita namin lahat kami what we can do inside the court. And I think we were just really playing happy. Of course, we were trying to honor everyone that's graduating besides me, also Cyrus and Lance. We really wanted it for the seniors and of course to Coach Timmy and to the entire coaching staff who worked really hard today and throughout the entire year. So I'm just really happy na we get to leave UAP on a good note.
Thank you, James, to Cyrus, 2 attacks, 1 block, and 1 service. So, what can you say about your final UAP game? And your decision in general?
Being here for only 1 season, I'm really glad I chose Ateneo to go to. I'm just glad we were able to play. We played very free, we played very happy. And not many people say they could end their career off with a win, usually in the playoffs you lose. So I'm just, I'm ecstatic about that. Season didn't go our way. We're a hard-working team. Sometimes it just doesn't shake our way. I'm disappointed, but it is what it is. That's how it goes.
Thank you, Cyrus. Okay, the floor is open for questions.
Coach, kailan na lang nakikita nyo kailangan pang gawin ng team para makabalik na sa Final Four next season?
I think ito naman yung lagi ko sinasabi sa mga players ko. Parang skills-wise, we're on par with all those teams. Kaso nga lang, makita naman pagdating sa mga crucial mga games, like pag nagpapit kami ng mga fifth set, doon kami natatalo. Kasi it's more of character and attitude inside the court. Kasi yun nga, hindi hindi na enough yung pagpupursige ka lang, trabaho ka lang ng todo-todo para makalaro ng maayos. Because at the end of the day, paglalaro mo, boils down to character and attitude mo rin kasi talaga sa loob ng court kung paano mo siya gagawin, kung paano mo i-execute lahat ng game plans mo. And of course, yung preparation na rin kasi all throughout the season kung paano mo i-prepare yung sarili mo, kung ano yung attitude mo towards training, towards your everyday routine. Kasi it will all reflect kung ano yung mangyayari sa'yo sa loob ng court. Kasi dyan papasok kung gaano makatibay sa focus mo, kung gaano kalapit yung focus mo sa laro. Kasi doon makikita lalo pag umaabot ka ng mga 5-7 na matches, hindi na skills yan, it's more of ano na yan, character and focus sa loob ng court. So, doon kami nagkulang season. And I always remind them naman na kailangan sa simula pa lang, even though your everyday routine, discipline, your focus, and your mindset, kailangan lagi tama.
Just for guys, this game aside, buong career mo sa UAAP talagang contributed so much to the Ateneo community. And aside from the stats, talagang on behalf of that community, talagang masasabi namin na we're thankful for your service in these past few years. For you personally, what legacy do you want to leave as you exit your final UAAP sa Ateneo?
Siguro one legacy na I really wanna leave or like impart sa mga mas nakakabata sa akin sa team is yun nga, yung skills, it's always there. It's something that you can work hard. Kaya mo siyang pagtrabahuan if you really wanna be good at your craft. Pero that's one thing eh. Pero ibang usapan kung meron ka talagang kung disiplinado ka sa ginagawa mo, mahal mo yung ginagawa mo. At kasi doon papasok na kahit gaano ka bugbog na yung katawan namin sa training, kahit gaano kami pagod sa pag-aaral, tulog kami ng mga sobrang late na, and then we're gonna wake up the next morning super early. Pero papasok pa rin doon yung grit and yung discipline mo na to work hard. Kasi sobrang mawawala lahat ng pinagpaguran mo kung hindi ka naman disiplinado enough. So I think that's one thing that I really want to impart sa mga players na may iwan namin dito. Kasi magagaling sila, skills guys, magagaling sila. And if ever I'm gonna leave, or if I'll go back next year, I'm pretty sure hindi naman nila kailangan yung skills ko. It's more of if they really wanna learn from me and how I lead the team, I think that's one thing that I really wanna give to them.
Right. Congratulations, Coach Kini.